Messy nails? Slow drills? Conquer chaos with MelodySusie. The ultimate 11-in-1 nail drill savior. Ever wrestled with stubborn acrylics, uneven gels, or chipped polish right before an event? Maybe your old nail file took forever, left your nails jagged, or overheated after just a few minutes. We've all been there, frustrated, rushed, and wishing for a miracle tool that doesn't fumble under pressure. Enter the MelodySusie Cordless Electric Nail Drill, a 25,000 RPM powerhouse designed to shape, buff, and polish with salon-level precision, no wires, no fuss. Whether you're a pro nail artist or a DIY diva, this 11-in-1 kit is ready to rescue your nails anytime, anywhere. Tired of bulky drills vibrating like lawnmowers? The MelodySusie Nail Drill rewrites the rules with a lightweight, cordless design and a whisper-quiet motor that won't shake your confidence or your hands. Weighing only 0.15 pounds, it's portable and compact, yet powerful enough to tackle gels, acrylics, and dip powders without breaking a sweat. With 25 adjustable speeds and a forward-reverse rotation, it adapts seamlessly to left or right-handed users, making it the perfect tool for beginners and experts alike. Say goodbye to awkward angles and hello to effortless control. What's worse than a drill that dies mid-mani? Nothing. That's why this MelodySusie Nail Drill delivers up to 6 hours of battery life after just 1 hour of charging. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it keeps up with your busiest days, whether you're polishing nails at home or packing it for travel. The LED digital display keeps you informed about speed, direction, and battery status, so there's no guesswork, just smooth, stress-free styling. No cords, no limits, just flawless nails anywhere, anytime. Does it really work on tough nails? Absolutely. This 11-in-1 kit includes metal drill bits, sanding bands, and polishing tools to handle even the thickest acrylics or most stubborn gels. From cuticle cleaning to buffing and filing, the MelodySusie Nail Drill replaces multiple tools with one compact, professional-grade machine. It's gentle on natural nails, yet tough enough for artificial ones, cutting your manicure time in half without sacrificing quality. Plus, with low heat, low noise, and zero vibrations, it's as comfortable as it is effective. So, is it worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're upgrading your home nail kit or expanding your salon arsenal, the MelodySusie Cordless Nail Drill is durable, affordable, and tech-tested to handle whatever comes your way. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits and hello to flawless nails, on your schedule and budget. It's more than a tool, it's your personal nail technician, packed into one sleek, stylish, and portable package. Ready to save time, money, and sanity? Grab yours now and watch the magic happen.